After our original dog sledding trip got canceled due to weather, we were lucky enough to find another one. The first part of our excursion was a helicopter ride to the dog sled camp.
Hello!
Who wants to sit on the window?
I will.
Okay. Okay, go ahead and hop in.
Thank you.
You can grab right here.
Grab it here.
Close to a doorknob hinge, remembering the sounds we used to know. But when those sounds sing from our halls, the backstop pressed against bleached walls. Do you remember the sound of snow?
To explore down and slow it down a little bit and go out there by dogs. I just want to get you guys an idea of the size of the country, okay? It's easy when you fly by helicopters, you have so much country flowing by you, it's easy to think everything's fairly tight and close. These mountains behind you, that the aircraft are just flying over right here behind us right here, is 3 miles away. This mountain that looks like you can touch is just under a mile away.
Oh my gosh.
So it's pretty big country. It's just us in white. So when you know, there's this kind of an illusion that's in front of you. And remember when you flew in though, when they say we're coming up to Dog World now, and if you were seeing it, it was like a little pepper on the snow. You know, it's pretty hard to see. And we're still that little pepper in this big sea of white and glacier.
Interstellar moon, seed of light into your atmosphere. What's your world like? Is the house we built still here? Girl, you know when the beat of my drum meets the beat of your heart. You know I couldn't love any other. This is where I come from. This is where I belong. With the beat of your drum, not any other. Fall through the sky, little specks below. Magnify the further down I go. I feel
Have fun.
I'm having a great time! After dog sledding, we got to meet the dogs that took us on our adventure.
This is Rainy. Hi, Rainy. And this is Cola. Hi, Cola. Hi, guys. I got it. I got it. Oh, so cute. Sleeping, all curled up. That was absolutely amazing.
Phenomenal.
It was, like we said, once in a lifetime. Absolutely. It was so fun. I'm gonna make a snowball just cause I can. Snowball!
When he gets there, he'll have people unload.
The only capital city that does not have a major highway running into it. Matter of fact, you cannot drive here directly. You only can come in by boat or by plane, unless you happen to be born here. Okay. The city of Juneau, you cannot buy a suit of clothes. Isn't that weird? You would think capital city, but you can't buy a suit here. Also, in Alaska, there are no reptiles. We've got 43 different breeds of mosquitoes.
So Aunt Kiara and I are just walking around Juneau. It's a little cloudy, a little rainy, a little chilly, but we're doing good, right? We're happy. We had a good time. Yeah. And Juneau's cool. We just wish it wasn't so cloudy, so wet. It's very wet.
A little bit past 3 a.m., which means my time it is around, I can't even think. It's 3 a.m., 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 a.m. That's fun. I should probably go to bed.